Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So let me start with the customization of this mode. Let's enter the settings and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So in the settings, let's go to the display and brightness and let's scroll down to find eye comfort and sleep option. Let's tap. So here we've got the option circadian night display, where your device will automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on your body rhythm to help prepare a better night's sleep. If you want to, you can use it. If not, just leave it alone. Let's focus on the eye comfort. We can enable it all day, and let me start with this option. So this is the manual option. After tapping on it, you can probably see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. Maybe not screen, but the letters, because they were white, so probably on those you can see the differences. Here we've got the filter level, so we can change it thanks to the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. Let me quickly change the mode to the light one, so you will be able to see the differences actually. So this is the coolest setting, and right now we've got the warmest one. Probably you can see it better. So this is how you can customize it. You can also schedule that feature just by tapping on the switcher, so you can choose the start and the end time, and your device will of course apply the eye comfort mode accordingly. Alright, so actually this is the customization of this mode. Let me quickly switch to enable all day, and all we have to do in order to have much faster access to this option is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully. Sorry. Whoa. Let's unroll fully this section specifically, because here we should have the eye comfort icon. It is right here. So of course it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and tap on it again if you want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.